I have no clue what this is for.
What's up, DCB fam? We are back with another video restoration on the 67 Camaro. Man, I sure appreciate all y'all checking out this series. We are having a blast doing the resto job on this car. Plus, y'all getting to see all the crazy stuff we do at the shop. I welcome everybody to the channel that's new. Everybody showing love to the channel, all the comments, the likes. I'm about to start loading videos on Facebook and Instagram. Y'all go check out my Instagram. I'm always putting something on the gram. Right now, you can hear TJ in there grinding. Let's go see what he's doing. Let's check him out. TJ, what you tearing up? Man, TJ on the job, man. Oh, look at that. We got the old camera, and now we got the new camera. We done switched the game up. While TJ tearing that up, let's go see what's going on in the shop. Man, we got a local celebrity up in here, man. C-Dub in the house. What's up, what's up? This boy killing the truck game. Look at that, man. That thing look good. What y'all tearing up right now?
I'm trying to wear my head low. Get some LED.
Oh, okay. So y'all go see my boy Corey.
Oh yeah, Mark Dodge.
Mark Dodge, he over there.
You need, anything you need, I got you.
He over there slanging them Mopars.
Mopar, Chevy, GMC,
whatever, he got it. I'll show y'all this thing. This is an all aluminum F250 2020. Look at that. Ouch. So pretty much right now, I'll give y'all the progress on the 67. We got it pretty much fully disassembled. We gotta get the wheels back on it. Go get it on the trailer in the morning, get it strapped down, get all the parts on the trailer with the car that were getting blasted. We could have did it today, but as you can see, it's raining and I don't want no water on this car at all. So we're gonna get it to where it's getting blasted at, and he's gonna let us go in there. We're gonna show the whole game plan of what we're gonna do for us, how he's gonna blast it. We're gonna check out his machine that he has. I'm gonna epoxy prime the car. Probably take about a couple hours for that epoxy primer to dry, and we're gonna throw it back on the trailer and get it back to the shop. We're trying to do all this and beat the rain. Like, it's been raining out here so much. Like, it rained all last week and it's raining now. So I don't want no water to get on this car. Louisiana weather is already humid out here. So pretty much that's pretty much what we're gonna do. Once we get it back to the shop, then we're gonna start the bodywork process, and that's gonna be the fun part. Disassembling this car has been pretty fun. There was a lot of rusted bolts. That's why it took so long, man. I mean, I want to say we got a whole bag of bolts that was just rusted, just, you know, from age. We got to go back and replace all these bolts with new stainless steel bolts. Thing with this car is we aiming for perfection on it. Like I said in the first video, I'm treating this car like it's mine. It's the same steps I'm gonna take on my car. Like, we're gonna go through everything with a fine-tooth comb and make sure, you know, this car comes out perfect. The body work is gonna be fun because that's where it gets real tedious. The car is straight, so that's pretty good. We got a good canvas to start with, but it's gonna take a lot of work to get the body straight on this car, get it perfect. Once we get the body work perfect on it, next step is gonna be paint. Once we get to the painting, that's the exciting, real exciting stuff. Everything's going smooth on the car. I'm excited about it. My guys are excited about it. Pretty much everybody in the shop is gonna have their part touching the car. TJ's been doing an awesome job on disassembling it. So far, doing this resto job, it's pretty cool because I've been able to show you guys we doing everything at my shop. Y'all get to see everything we do at Dom's Paint Body, and you know how me and my crew work every day. We have fun, you know, and I love my crew. They take their job serious, they take pride in their work, and you know, that's all I can ask for, and it shows. We rolling? What about make it do what it do? I'm ready. Let's see what Blake working with. Man, that boy got the murder hood on this thing. That's how we do. Look at that. I got a Lambo. My doors don't do that. Man, we ain't playing no game.
Ain't the cement up.
That boy Blake just got caught out by Devin, man.
What? They about to run. They
It's about to be the slowest race in mankind.
Oh.
Slow Fest 2K20.
Get out of here.
What y'all got back here, man?
I got the 2 in the car seat too.
Oh man, that's clean right there, son. I ain't gonna lie. You gonna keep him in the car seat? I like that. Boy, I got the Lambo doors, man. I ain't even got Lambo doors, and I got Lambo. How much nitrogen you spraying, D?
I'm about to spray a big shot, son.
20 shot?
Yeah, 25, man. That's too much, man.
Yeah.
Man. I'm not gonna be able to catch traction. I'll be beating Hellcats in that. Yeah, I got 650 horsepower. What you want to do? I'm ready.
Dude, man, these boys slinging nitrous kits out the trunk.
That's what you need, man.
know what I'm saying? What you trying to go fast?
Yeah, I
got
need.
what you need, bro.
I'm trying to go a little fast.
Alright, hold up. Make sure the state troopers ain't looking.
Make sure.
Check out what I got though, man. What you need, bro? You trying to go fast? What you trying to do, bro? I got the lines. Look at that, bro. I got whatever you need, bro. This ain't no firecrackers either. Or we could go straight knocks on you, bro.
Man, I need a bottle.
You need a bottle?
I need a bottle.
Oh, hold up. That's my connect right there. Hold on 1 second.
You got a bottle?
I got baby bottles.
I prefer one without a gauge, you know, just for slim
Oh, you
fit.
don't want the gauge?
I don't want the gauge.
Yeah, I get this 20% off.
Okay. And you got one without?
So what you trying to do?
That's a big baby right there.
I know you got the income tax on. Hey, Devin, how much you gonna charge me to put the real Lambo doors on my Lambo?
We can work something out.
We can work something out?
You know, there's always
Yeah, I got that nitrous bottle he wants. Man, this look clean though.
I feel like for your car, it's gonna be a heck of a lot easier.
Well, they make a kit for it.
You was holding out with us?
Oh, what else we got? Oh, R.I.P. Preston. That boy got that roller rocker throttle body. Y'all hear that? Text 2K gonna be live.
Hopefully we live in 2K.
Boy, that's a scary sound.
Devin's scared he gonna lose that $20 now.
So what y'all running for lunch money?
He ain't gonna even go.
All right, here we go, y'all. Slow fest.
Bro, I'm done with you calling my car slow.
Nervous? Do you look nervous?
I ain't never nervous. Never scared.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
What up, DCB fam? Another day on the lunch break. We about to go grab a bite and make some hits. We're trying to figure out of these two SRT8 300s, who is the slowest. Both cars are bone stock, except the black one has state-of-the-art ram air hood. But the thing that makes this hood so special is it's white.
It's white.
Yeah, it's white. So he got full exhaust, long tube, no tune, but he got the Lambo doors.
Yeah,
So
that's an extra 30-40 horsepower.
Yeah. On this car that we in, man in the hat car, we bone stock. But the thing that makes this car so special, makes it fast, which I feel like is gonna win the race, is because I'm riding the car. Fast DNA, so automatically it's just. You want me to drive?
No, I'm good.
Okay, I can drive. That boy Blake ready, son. Radios on the back.
Ooh, that's like a scooting. Yo, what's up? But see how hard it comes out of first?
So you came out of first?
That was first. When it shifted second, it slid perfect into it.
Yeah, you dead hook. That was a good run. 1, 2, 3! Dead even, bro. Like, nobody moved by how fast you got on that pool.
We wasn't going that fast. That's the crazy part. Now, once he sprays the car, I'm gonna race him again because I want to see the bigger difference.
It's gonna be a huge difference. 100 shot, he gonna just pull away from you, bro. 100 horsepower difference is like 3 cars.
It's just with these, I gotta get it tuned because from second to third, it's like it drops on his face too much. It's like, and then it just
first to second it went wham, then it went.
Yeah, like it downs.
Yeah,
because first to second is instant. It's just bam, bam, and then the third it kind of falls on his face. That was fun.
So pretty much we got the car back on the ground, got the wheels back on the car, and we are getting ready to get it out of here. I got some piece of core board that we cut up that is going to fit over each window area here because we pulled all the glasses out. So we're gonna put this core board over the window areas, and then he's gonna blast it, and then I will get over there as soon as he's done blasting and put the epoxy primer on. Once it cures, we'll go ahead and get the car back to the shop, and that's when we'll start the body work on it. So right now, we're gonna get this thing pushed outside. Pretty much what sandblasting is going to do is going to show us much all the imperfections in the metal. So we got our fingers crossed, hoping it ain't too bad. I'm just kind of worried about like stuff like this, these little cracks right here. I don't know what that is. All right, here we go. Yeah. All right, I want to get it set up, and then I'll get my butt to work.
There you go. Go back to work. Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna come in here and get the camera set up and everything. All right, man, I'll see you in the morning. Thank you, sir. All right, here we go. Terry is out there blasting. Man, that sand is a mess. I used to sandblast parts for this company that made offshore equipment, and I started doing it at my shop, and I'm telling you, that sandblasting stuff is a mess. I mean, I got it all in my ears right now, and I ain't even doing the blasting. So look, let me show y'all what we got so far. Here's a fender. As you can see, I mean, it just cleans everything off. Some little rust holes right here. You got to patch that up. Everything on here. And here's the trunk. And this is actually lead right here. These little spots you're seeing. Back in the 60s and 70s, they used lead filler. They didn't use plastic filler like we use today. Here's the other fender right here. About to find out what's under there. And that's the reason why I want to blast everything. You know, when you blast stuff, it takes it all the way down. Shows you what's hidden. The good thing is that even though this car had been repaired, it only been painted one time. So it looks like, for what I'm seeing on the car, it looks like the repairs were repainted but in sections. So that's telling me that the whole car hadn't been repainted. It just got a little fender bender here, they fixed it, a little fender bender there, they fixed it, pretty much like a normal car. So you can pretty much say it has the original paint on it. So that's good. That's a good thing to know. As a, you know, if I'm a body man, I'm like, hey, the more original the panel is, you know, the better. All right, I'm about to get over there and show y'all. He's blasting the roof. I'm kind of explaining to y'all what's going on because it's so loud. You're not gonna be able to hear me talk. So there's body filler all on the roof. I'm gonna get a little close up and show y'all what's going on. Right here, this is all body filler right here. All body filler. You can see there's a quarter panel been put on this car, and this is all rust here, a little farther than surface rust. Body filler here, all this is body filler, all this is body filler. Pretty much what he's gonna do, it's gonna take a little time to get all the body filler out because it's pretty thick. You can see it's cracking here. All this is cracking. I expected all this. I just didn't know it was gonna be this bad. This is why we're taking it all the way down to the metal. All right, while he blasting, me and Keith gonna start priming. All right, let's check out everything that we have already. Hood looks real good. Everything looks nice and clean. All the way down to the metal. Here's the trunk, nice and clean. All right, we about to put some epoxy on it. This is the primer we rolling with right here. man.
Just cut it out.
Yeah, we got to change it. I didn't know what it was gonna do. It's all good. Look what just pulled back up. Yeah, that's gonna come out good. Strip that paint off right quick. Like that, back in the building. One step closer, you right. Well, DCB fam, I sure hope y'all enjoyed episode 3, resto on the 67. Man, this thing is coming out so good. We'll get started on this body work. We got a whole lot of body work to do on this bad boy, but you know what? We got it though. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that like button. And man, make sure y'all hit me with some comments, man. Tell me what y'all think about how everything going. I know a lot of y'all commenting and y'all having fun with it. We having fun with it too, you know. About to hit 30,000, man. I appreciate the love, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.